Tyler Pulliam with Acieta, and I'm here today to introduce our new FastARC CW. The CW is designed with the high-mix, low-volume shop in mind, and to drastically reduce the amount of programming time required to introduce a new part to the system. The large modular table is able to accept modular tooling that can be purchased in packages, or to have your custom tooling placed on top and moved into position very simply. The CW includes the FANUC CRX robot with simple drag and drop programming, and you're able to move the robot into the position you want to program it in, which eliminates the need to jog. In order to remain versatile throughout the welding industry, we've designed the CW to work with Lincoln, Miller, or Fronius power source units. The CW is designed with the welder in mind. Once the CW arrives at your facility, you can easily move it into an existing welding booth, hook it up to your existing power, and you'll have it up and running the same day. The welds will be consistent and accurate, allowing you to reallocate your valuable welding resources to more difficult jobs. The same job can be run over and over and over, just having an operator loading and unloading parts. With faster delivery, setup, and programming, users can be up and running in no time. For more information on the FastARC CW, please contact Acieta. We'd be happy to answer any questions.